boys and girls, today we're going to write our morning message about this lady that I know. And you might have read about her in a book or two. And I think we read a book about her back in the fall because she swallowed some leaves. Do you remember a story? There was an old woman who swallowed the leaves. Right, well there's also a story about her where she swallowed a fly. Ew, can you believe that? Would you ever want to swallow a fly? No, why not? Oh, I agree completely. I do not want to swallow a fly either. That'd be so yucky. All right, well, she wants us to write a morning message about her and about how she swallowed a fly. Do you have any idea how we could write how she swallowed that fly as our morning message today? Right, we could write, there was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and write that as our morning message today. That sounds great. Now let's repeat that. Listen, there was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Can you say that? Awesome. Let's pad out those words. Here we go. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Oh my goodness. Now let's see if you can have superhero powers and count how many words are in that sentence. Ready? Go. How many words did you count? Oh, well, let's see if you're right. This is a long one. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 words. Did you get that? Yeah, that's a long sentence. You're right about that. All right, well, let's go ahead and write our, oh no, so sorry, our really long sentence today. Here we go. All right, there was. What's the first sound you hear in was? What, the letter W. There was an old woman. What's the first sound you hear in woman? What, the letter W. Who, there was an old woman who swallowed. What's the first sound? What's the first sound you hear in swallowed? The letter S. Good job. Swallowed a fly. What's the first sound you hear in fly? The letter F. Good job. Now, before we do this, before we talk about some of the words in our sentence, let's go ahead and talk about what punctuation we need to put. Do you remember what this is called? An exclamation point. And when do we use an exclamation point? Right, when we're super excited. What is this called? A period. And when do we use a period? Right, when we're just saying something. And lastly, what is this? A question mark. And when do we use a question mark? Right, when we're asking a question when we need an answer. Now let's listen to how Miss Wolashek says this sentence. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Do you think I should use an exclamation point because I'm super excited? A period because I'm just saying something, or a question mark because I'm asking a question? Listen again. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Which one should I use? Right, I need to use a period. Was I super excited when I said that she swallowed a fly? No. And did I ask what she swallowed or who swallowed what or whatever? No, we just said it. So we need to put a period at the end of our sentence. Very good. Let me go ahead and erase this. All right, let's read our sentence. Ready? And read it with me. Here we go. There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Your turn. Ready? There was an old woman who swallowed a fly. Very good. Now let's talk about this word swallowed. What does swallowed mean? If she swallowed a fly, what does that mean? Yeah, exactly. She swallowed it, which means it went in her throat, and it's like when you drink water and it goes down to your stomach. And that's what happened with the fly. It went in her throat, and then she swallowed it all the way down to her stomach. Very good. And she swallowed a fly, which we already talked about. Probably what we wouldn't want to happen to us. Why do you think she swallowed a fly? Yeah, maybe. Well, if you can find the story, it's on YouTube, and it's a really good story. Or if you have it, it's a wonderful one to read. Thank you so much for helping me write all about it.